Good morning, student. Now I am going to take the lessons Geography Unit 7 Human Geography of Tamil Nadu. Human Geography of Tamil Nadu. So, the human mostly depend upon the natural resources. So, natural resources is a rich and distributions of the areas, so population distribution and density is very high. So here's is first one is the introductions. Human geography refers to the study of way of development of human societies and the operation in relation to their physical environmentals. So, the human geography refers to study of the way of development. First one is way of development of the human societies and operations. The relating to physical environmentals. That means here, so the physical factors, land surface, forest, soils, waters, mineral resources, river, natural vegetations, wildlife. So these are factors is here physical environmentals. Another one is here the physical landforms means the landforms, coastal areas and mountains areas, plateaus regions. So based upon the distributions of the populations. This chapters the focus on the distribution, characteristics and utilizations of different resources in Tamil Nadu. So in Tamil Nadu, so lot of resources found in Tamil Nadu. So the distributions and characteristics, utilizations of different resources. We have studied earlier that the earth is endowed with the varieties of the natural resources such as landforms. So, varieties of the natural resources found in Tamil Nadu. One of the first one is the landforms, river, soils, natural vegetations, water, wildlife, like that. So these are is here natural resources. First one is the landforms. The landforms, plain areas, plateaus, mountains. These are landforms. Rivers, soil. The different types of the soils found in Tamil Nadu. Alluvial soil, black soil, laterite soils, red soil, like that. Natural vegetation. So tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forests, and water and wildlife. These resources are useful only when they are the utilized. The human being use these resources using the intelligence and skill. The human being are the most significant resources of the earth surface. So human being also the one of the resources in the earth surface. So most of the resources depend upon the humans. They turn all these natural resources into useful product with their skills and abilities. First one is skills and abilities. 7.1 Agriculture. 7.1 Agriculture, the backbone of the Indians, one of the agriculture. The word agriculture is derived from the Latin word. So this word is derived from Latin. The agricultures எந்த வேர்ட்லேருந்து தோன்றுச்சுன்னா லாட்டின் வேர்ட்ஸ். ஸோ இஸ் த அக்ரி அண்ட் கல்ச்சர் which means of the agri means field and culture is a growing. So agriculture the derived from the Latin word. So agri means a field and culture is a growings. Agriculture is a practice of farming that includes the cultivations of the crops, rearings of animals, birds, forestry, fisheries, and others related to activities. So agriculture is depend upon this, the animals, birds, forestry, fisheries, and other related to related to activities in agriculture. So agriculture is the major occupation in Tamil Nadu. So agriculture is the major occupation. Occupation means tolils. So one of the important occupation in Tamil Nadu, the agriculture. Agriculture has been mainstay of the state economy since independence, with more than 65% of the population depend upon these sectors. So 65% of the population depend upon the sectors of their livings. So agriculture provide the employment for the rural peoples on the large scales. So 65% of the populations depend upon the agriculture sectors. Agriculture sector is the primary sectors. So the primary sectors is consist of the agriculture sectors and is the rural peoples. So the agriculture provide the employment for the rural peoples on the large scales. There is a strong link between the agriculture and economic growth. So the strong link between agriculture and economic growth. The paddy. So paddy, millets, pulses are the principal food crops of the state in Tamil Nadu. Sugarcane, cotton, sunflower, coconut, cashew, chilies, and granite, tea, coffee. So these are the rubber, ornaments are the major crops of commercial crops. So in this topic 7.1 agriculture. So the word agriculture derived from the Latin word. So first அங்கது தோன்றியது. So agriculture is divided into two. One is a agri means a field and culture means a growings. So most of the peoples, the 65% of the peoples depend upon the sectors, agriculture sectors for their livings, and rural peoples, they provide the employment for the rural peoples for large scales. So agriculture can be two types of the crops. One is a food crops, another one is a commercial crops. The food crops like that for paddy, millet, pulses are the principal food crops. Paddy, millet, pulses. And commercial crops like that for sugarcane, cotton, sunflower, coconut, chilies, chinchillies, and tea, coffee, cardamoms, and rubbers. These are the commercial crops. Next topic 7.2 geographical determinants of agriculture. So geographical determinants of agriculture, that means என்னென்ன ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் இருந்தால் அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் செக்டர்ஸ் நல்லாயிருக்கும். ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் லேண்ட் ஃபார்ம்ஸ், நல்லா பிளைன் ஏரியாஸ், கிளைமேட், ஸோ ட்ராபிக்கல் கிளைமேட், சாயில், ஸோ அலுவியல் சாயில், பிளாக் சாயில்ஸ், ரெட் சாயில்ஸ், லேட்ரைட் சாயில்ஸ், so like that, and irrigations are the factors determine the growth of agriculture. First one is land forms. So what are the factors of the geographical determinants of the agricultures? There are the four factors so determines the growing for agriculture. One is land forms, climate, soil, irrigations. First one is landforms. Tamil Nadu is the land of diverse the landscapes comprising different types of the lands. One is a hilly areas, plateaus and plains. There are three landscapes in Tamil Nadu. One is a hilly areas or mountains, plateaus, for example Nilagiri plateaus, plain areas. So among them, plains are the most suitable for agriculture. So hilly areas or plateaus not suitable for the agriculture sectors. Only the plain areas are suitable for agriculture sectors. The plains with the alluvial soils enhance the agriculture productivity. So agriculture growing, the paddy growing in alluvial soils. Paddy growing in alluvial soils. Black soils for cotton growing. So the plain areas with the alluvial soils enhance the agriculture productivity. For examples, the plains of the Kaveri Delta, the granary of Tanjore. So Tamil Nadu Nirkanjiums, Tanjavur. The agriculture is the plateaus, the moderate is under the cover of the hills. So plain areas only the suitable for agriculture sectors, but the plateaus or hilly areas is a moderate for some technologies, step methods like that. So some technology using for the agriculture sector in hilly areas and the mountains areas. So in this topic, landform is very important. So agriculture sectors most suitable for plain areas. So in plateaus or hilly regions is using moderate or technology, but is very poor in agriculture sector like that. Next topic. Climate. The second determines factors of the agriculture. First one is soil. First one is landforms. Second one is the climate. So first landforms, second climate, soils, irrigations are the factors determines for the growth of agriculture. So climate. Tamil Nadu is suited in the tropical zones. That means Veppamandala Pagudi. Tamil Nadu is located in tropical zones which near the equators. So Tamil Nadu is located in the near the equatorial areas. So is a tropical zones, Veppamandala Pagudi. The state experience tropical climate. Hence the temperature is Tamil Nadu relatively high throughout the years. For examples, Asia globals, equatorial areas. Tamil Nadu is located near the equatorial areas. The temperature is throughout the very high. So the globals, the equatorial areas, this line is a equator. Sun, Tamil Nadu is located near the equatorial areas, is a temperature very high. So next one is, next regions. Tamil Nadu is relatively high throughout the years. So the many of the tropical crops are cultivated. So mostly the suitable for tropical crops, வெப்பமண்டல பயிர்கள் மட்டும் கல்டிவேஷன் செய்யப்படுகிறது. The water is another limiting factors of agriculture. Water. So the Tamil Nadu mostly depend upon the northeast monsoon wind. So northeast monsoon wind October to December. So Tamil Nadu only the 45 like that 45% is depend upon this northeast monsoon. The southwest monsoon is India depend upon the southwest monsoon, but the only 4 state is a leeward side. Only 4 state leeward side, that means Malai Maraivu Pakkam, windward side. Another one is leeward sides. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Kolkata. These are leeward side. So this 4 state is depend upon this northeast monsoon wind. The major source of the Tamil Nadu northeast monsoon is the major source of the rainfalls in Tamil Nadu. Therefore, the crops major cropping season begins with these seasons, growing in these seasons. The rainfall in this season and irrigation facilities affect the agriculture to the large extents. So in this topic, Tamil Nadu is a tropical zones located in tropical zone near the equator. So high temperatures. So high temperatures இருக்கனால so tropical crops only cultivated. So Tamil Nadu northeast monsoons depend பண்ணிருக்கனால northeast monsoons is depend upon. So using the irrigation facilities and the rainfalls in these seasons. Thank you.